Students, welcome back. Today we are going to start the simple sums of probability. These are very simple, can come in the exam for only one or maximum 2 marks. The sums are very simple. The main exercises are exercise 5.3 and 5.4, and 5.4 is the most important. First question, practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? First question, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. Sites mean where you can go for vacations, sites, or for visit or trip, whatever. She is planning to visit one of them uh, for a summer vacation. For a summer vacations, and the sites are Ajanta is the first one, Mahabaleshwar is the second, Lonar Sarovar is the third, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary is the fourth, Amboli fifth, Raigad sixth, Matharan seventh, and Anandavan eight. So that means there are 8 different sites which she can. From that she has to choose only one. So basically the possibilities, the different possibilities which she has to choose for the vacation is 8 sites. So that is why that is the answer. Here there are 8 sites of Maharashtra given, and there are 8 possibilities in a random experiment of visiting a site out of 8 sites in Maharashtra. Therefore the answer is 8, because there are 8 possible sites. If they increase it to 10 sites, then the answer would be 10. Second is, how many possibilities are there in choosing any day of the week is to be, if any day of the week is to be selected randomly. In a week, how many days are there? 7. So if I ask you to choose a day, that means you have 7 possibilities. You can choose any one of the possibilities, but the total possibilities that you have is 7. So the answer asked here in this question is, how many possibilities are there? So there are 7 days in a week, so there are 7 possibilities in a random experiment of selecting a day of the week. Now third, this question is selecting one card from a pack of 52 cards. So everybody knows that in a pack of cards there are 52 cards. So that means there are 52 possibilities of choosing a particular card or one card. Fourth is, one number is to be selected from 10 to 20. One number from 10 to 20 is written on a card, on each card, and you have to select one. Now mostly if the question is 10 to 20, everybody will say 10. There are 10 possibilities, but it is not like that. If you start counting from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means there are 11 possibilities. So basically, so if it is from 10 to 20, then there are 11 possibilities. So you have to pay attention. So first and the last number का difference plus 1 included. So 10 to 20, 20 minus 10 is 10, or 1 add करना है. So very simple. So 11 possibilities in a random experiment of selecting one card from the given set of cards. Now the second exercise, practice set 2, is also simple. Now here you have to find the sample space and also write n of s. For each of the following experiment, write the sample space S and the number of sample points n of s. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, which I have already explained, so I am not explaining it directly. The sample space S is given by H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H is from the coin and 1 is from the die. Same way T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So H stands for head and T stands for tail. So head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. So totally n of s is 12. Second question, 2-digit numbers are formed without using the digits 2, 3 and 5 without repetition. So again here also you cannot repeat a digit. So the sample space is 23, 25, 32, 35, 52 and 53. So very simple. 23 possibilities of 2, 23, 25 possibilities of 3, 32, 35 possibilities of 5, 52 and 53. So that is 6 possibilities. Now here disk is given, and on the disk there are different colors and there is an arrow also. Now the arrow is going to be rotated and you have to find on which color it is going to stand in the end or come to rest. So there are total 6 colors on the disk. Therefore the sample space in this experiment will be red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. You have to write all the colors, and if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so there are 6 possibilities in the sample space of this sum. And now we come to the last part for today, simple one. Last part, last page. This will complete 2 exercises, very easy ones. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 है ना, 5 के टेबल्स में आने वाला नंबर होना चाहिए डेट. तो यहाँ पे 5 के टेबल में आने वाला नंबर है 5 है, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. तो नाउ व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड यू टू से इज कि ये जो 5 आया है वो कौन से डे पे आया वो लिखो. तो दैट मीन्स 5 आया है ट्यूसडे को, 10 आया है संडे को, 15 आया है फ्राइडे को, 20 आया है वेडनेसडे को, 25 आया है मंडे को और 30 आया है सैटरडे को. बस ये लिखना है और काउंट करेंगे तो 6 एन ऑफ ऐसे 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 समझ में आया ना. तो पहले मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 जो है वो लिखना है, 5 के टेबल में आने वाले नंबर इसमें से, और वो जो डेट पे जो दिन था वो लिखना है, कौन से डे पे था, मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. तो ये इजी है. और लास्ट है फॉर्म अ रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी ऑफ कमिटी ऑफ 2 बनाना है. 2 बॉयज B1 और B2 और 2 गर्ल्स G1 और G2. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटी एंड राइट द सैम्पल स्पेस. और कमिटी ऑफ 2 बॉयज तो B1 B2 आएगा, कमिटी ऑफ 2 गर्ल्स तो G1 G2 ही आएगा, और कमिटी ऑफ 1 बॉय 1 गर्ल तो B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2. तो ये 4 पॉसिबिलिटी आएगा. टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज आएगा 6. तो अगर एन ऑफ एस अपने लिखना है तो इसमें आएगा 6. ये था फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, वेरी सिंपल. आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड द सम्स फ्रॉम टारगेट विच आर बेस्ड ऑन these 2 exercises so that you can do it for practice, and that will be the homework. This you have to copy and then you have to do the homework. So that's it for the day. Bye. Keep working hard and good night.